But all right, well, thank you for joining. I really won't take too much of your time. Really, the whole purpose of this is to, finally get to see you and
Yeah.
right? And also to get some kind of like feedback, not just like, because usually we get like what we're doing right? I'm sure like you've seen testimonial before you join the call, but I want to see like also like what can we do more of, right? Or any feedback
Okay.
in general, right? Like just an honest feedback, and then that way we can, do better for yourself and other clients as well. And
Yeah, I'm actually happy because I was just looking at my account, and then I started July 22nd.
Mhm.
So July, August, September, October, November, December. So almost 6 months going almost.
Okay,
And the gains are like wow, almost 15K.
okay, and what you started with?
I started with 150.
Nice. Why you even started to join something like this, right? Did you try something like this before, or is this like your?
Yes, I know. I like to have like additional income stream, like because I feel like I'm stuck with 9 to 5, so I'm doing the 9 to 5 job.
Mhm.
And then I've been doing a lot of online thing before,
Mhm.
and I lost a lot of money also, capital.
Oh,
I've
well,
been
what were you
doing
doing
like
online? Well.
MLMs,
Oh, okay.
and also some trading, some stocks, but I do it by myself, and I don't know anything about it. So instead of gaining, I lost a lot.
Yeah.
And also do before like crypto.
Mhm.
I have something also in the crypto market, but I don't know. It's not it's not going. And then when I saw the ad, I actually saw an ad from Aaron and Instagram,
Yeah.
and then he said like, "Oh, your capital won't be touched."
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So go ahead, let me try this one. So I book a call, and then okay, we'll see. And
Okay.
it was good. I love it. And the thing is, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to rely on my own judgment. The thing that I lost most is because I don't know what I'm doing.
Mm,
Like I keep on joining these traders, and of course they are experienced, and I don't have any experience, but I just wanted to go, like, to do something.
right. So,
Yeah, to invest something.
so it seems
But
like you were already doing that, right? But I feel like what you were doing before is more of doing it yourself, kind of like learning,
yeah,
applying that. And like, I don't
yeah,
know if you knew this, but like a lot of people don't tell you, most traders actually fail, right? Over 90%. Oh,
exactly. Yeah, I lost a lot.
yeah.
I lost a lot of money, and then I think it's time that someone will do it for me.
Yeah,
Like,
but I mean, I say that to say like, don't feel some type of way because you failed, right? That's actually really common, which is why a lot of
yeah,
people go for professionals, have them do it for themselves, which is basically what you did from there. But when you
exactly.
saw that ad, were you before you booking that call, were you talking to any other industries, any other companies, or was it just like you
I
saw us and went through it?
Yeah, yeah, I actually do. So I did some research, and I was like, I was watching the website, the testimonies on the website, and it feels like this is too good to be true.
Mhm.
And then there's a feeling that's, oh, maybe this is another scam, because I've been scammed before.
Right.
But I guess like I just had a leap of faith, and then I just, okay, let me try this one. Yeah.
So yeah, and then like compare because usually what we get is that we tend to be more of a premium option. So if
Uh-huh.
you're speaking to other companies out there, what made you feel confident enough to move forward despite the fact that we're more premium?
Yeah, I know that more premium. And so when I am reading the testimonies or watching the videos, I feel like it's more professional made
Got it.
than the small companies out there.
Makes sense. And then you mentioned
Yeah.
about the fact that you don't actually have to do much thing. However, we did have to set up the actual account, right? And fund
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
How was that onboarding process with your client
It
success?
was very smooth. It was good. It was helpful. David was the one who
Oh, that makes
did
sense.
it. Yeah, yeah. It was so smooth. But then what I'm saying that I don't have to do anything is I don't have to look at the charts every day and trade. Unlike before that, like doing the day trading thing.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, I love it. I love this. Yeah.
So, with that onboarding process, there was a point in time where you had to actually fund that account, right? When you mentioned
Right.
that you've been scammed before in the past, you lost a lot of money in the past. How comfortable were you actually sending those funds into the brokerage account, not ever having it before?
I'm actually scared because initially I wanted to put down just small amount,
Hmm.
but then I feel like I don't want a lot of movements in my bank.
Right.
Like it's gonna because I pay you first and then fund the it's gonna be looking suspicious.
Right.
So I kind of if it doesn't work, I could just withdraw again,
Yeah.
like the whole full amount.
Yeah, that's
So
the
I
good
guess
thing. With your brokerage, you have full access to all of that. You can deposit it,
yeah.
like withdraw. It's the same with the trading system.
Yeah, it's like I'm gonna see it like for a month or two. And then after a week, I would say, oh, there's growth already.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm like excited. Okay, let me push it to 3 months.
Yeah.
Oh wow. It's like increased to 4,000 and then now it's like almost 15,000 close to 6 months.
Are you in your account right now? Are you able to put it
I
up?
open it. Yeah, yeah. Do you want me to share to you?
You could, yeah, that'd be great. All right, so yeah, you're pretty well diversified across three different PAM systems. There we go.
Mm, mm-hmm.
Okay, that makes more sense. So,
Yeah,
okay.
I divided this to 60, 60, and then this is supposed to be 30, but
Yeah.
then there was a fee, so it only is 29.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well, but that looks pretty good. You made almost 2,000 on the first one, almost
yeah.
5,000, right about 8 on the third. So yeah, right about that's a little more than 15.
I know. That's why I made 15,000 in less than 6 months.
Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah, that's why. Oh my gosh, I wouldn't make it in the bank if it's sitting in the bank.
yeah.
It's not gonna make like that.
Right, right. Well, that makes perfect
Yeah.
sense why you wanted to do compound interest. So, well, how do you feel like you're getting this, without even doing anything at all?
I'm excited. I love it. Thank you so much. And then I'm very thankful that I found this.
Right, right.
Yeah, that I found ATN.
Nice. And then, as far as like people, like, as you mentioned, for the people who decided, what would you say to someone that's watching who's skeptical how you were right before joining, right? Looking at those testimonials and afraid because, they've been burned before just like how you did and you got scammed as well, but you kept on doing
Yeah.
that. So, what would you say to those people that are on the fence and in that same position you were?
I mean, just keep the faith, the leap of faith, because there are some real people out there with, like, with honest things that, I mean, they wanted to help people. Like this, because at first I'm not sure also because I thought, oh, this is another scam, or maybe this company is too good to be true.
Right.
Yeah, and especially when I researched that it's offshore.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, oh. But now I see it. I
Right. So, seeing all of that and being on calls with other competitors before joining, right, doing all the research that you did, why do you think ATN is different from all of the other things that you've seen out there before joining?
It's very different. It feels like I said before, like it's too good to be true. Like I don't know how they did it. Like there are these strategies, and then my invested account or amount is not touched. Yeah, it's different.
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain it, but
Well, I guess let's do it this way, right? Let's do it this way. If you had to, sum up ATN experience in one sentence or one word, I'll let you choose. What would you say?
awesome.
So that
Amazing. Maybe amazing.
So that means,
Yeah.
what do you think that someone should take action now instead of just waiting?
I mean, that's the time, the compounding time. You see, I started, and 6 months ago, I don't have like 15K, and now I started like July, and then come January, I gained almost 15.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
Yeah, can't get any better than that, right?
I know.
It could though.
Really?
Yeah, good. So
Mm,
I'll walk you through that. But I do appreciate you, giving you honest feedback and making sure that we hit all those points. Because one thing that I did wanted to also kind of like find out is what is it that we're doing more of, or what we're doing good that you'd rather see more of. So from what I got from there is like the transparency, the communication, right? You mentioned
yes,
how
yes.
you work with David and he took really good care of you, and I've
Mm,
seen on the Slack channels how also, Kayla has been helping there and Tomas. So I've seen a lot of interactions. And I
yeah,
remember
and I think
Elizabeth,
yeah. And if I have some questions, like anybody could just answer immediately.
right?
Yeah, I could
Yeah,
assist you like Mickey.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something that we want to keep on doing. So it's like that idea came from different clients when we got like different feedback on different things. So that's why we do this, so we can always keep on improving and making it better, even though right now you don't think like what else we can do, kind of thing, right? But there's always something
Thank
to
you. Yeah, thank you for doing that. And especially now that you keep on following up with your clients. I
improve.
mean, you're not just leaving us behind like whatever you do
Right,
like that.
right.
Yeah, like there's always connection and I appreciate it.
We appreciate you, and we hope to see you soon on one of the client events that we'll do.
Oh, will there be any?
Yeah, there's always a client event, so it's usually like around the summertime, right?
Ah,
So what we do is
okay.
we post it on our Telegram channel. That way you can see like all the updates on what's going on and when that will be. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm lost for words, like I don't know how to explain things.
Yeah.
But overall, I love ATN.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, and so you can expect me to hang out here for a very, very long time.